Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have purchased a 5G compatible outdoor security camera from Amazon. It's Arenti and it's a 4K camera. The good thing about this is like this works on 5G as well. It has come with mount, connector and also additional wire. So this is like type C. The type C port of this one is gonna go here, and then this one is gonna go to the charging point, or you can the power source. Now this camera, the best benefit of this camera is it works with 5G too, because a lot of security cameras, they don't support 5G and they work on 2.4G. But with newer technology, some cameras work with both. So this is how it is. Now they do provide cloud storage, but yes, you can definitely store the footage locally too. Like you see this panel here. If you take it off, they have the slot for here for memory card, and also there's a reset button. Okay, and you can speak also. And another benefit of this camera that is good is that you can control the movement. You can see it can move any side 360 degree. It can go up and down, right, left. So you can track objects and you can also speak. So that is really good with this camera. The cost was also reasonable. So I'm going to install it, and if I come across an issue, I'll let you know. But for now, even the body looks good. Like sometimes what happens, like in severe windstorm, hailstorm, cameras may fall. But here it looks like even if it falls, it should work. I mean, I cannot say it now until I really install it. I need to drill some holes to put the screws. I won't drill all four. I'll just drill two, one here and one here, and that should be enough to hold this because it's not too heavy. So that's how it's gonna be. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.